Check. Hey everyone, this is Ed from Tech Talk. If you just upgraded your Spectrum router to the new Wi-Fi 6 and it will update to this particular box, or to this particular router, a lot of your older devices, your laptops, or in my case, our Blink cameras would not connect. None of them, the Blink doorbell or our other cameras. So what I had to do was sign into our spectrum.net. So if you go to spectrum.net and then click sign in, and then just sign into your account. It's really easy, so don't be afraid of doing this. It's really, really simple to do. Now, you'll have to scroll down until you see Internet and Wi-Fi. Just go ahead and click on that. And in here, you're going to scroll down until you see your router. Now, click on the router. And down here, right here, you're going to see set up smart device on 2.4 gigahertz. You'll click that, and then you're going to see this right here. You're going to scroll down and you're going to click switch to 2.4 gigahertz. And then when you're done, you're going to come back over here and you're going to click restart equipment. If you don't restart the equipment, it's not going to work. And that should fix any connection issues you have. Now try to go and connect your devices and see if you can do it. All right, if you have any trouble, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you out if I can. And um, right now, this is just a quick fix for it. It's not really solving the problem of why Spectrum is giving a 5 gigahertz um, router modem combination that doesn't offer you the choice of doing 2.4 or the 5 gig or the 5G. So to me, it doesn't make any sense. And they need to go back to where you can display, and maybe there is a way in here to do that. I haven't had a chance to check it out, but if you're having trouble, try this first, and I will put an update if I find the answer. All right, you have a great day, and thank you for watching, and please consider liking and subscribing. All right, bye.